Hello friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Jubilant FoodWorks is part of Jubilant Bhartiya Group and is India's largest food service company is inviting applications for the multiple job position immediately. So let's discuss it. First, position as Senior Executive in Transportation Department. Experience required 3 to 6 years. CTC range will be up to 7.5 lakhs per annum. Job knowledge required is TMS, inbound, outbound, vendor management and bills. Second, position as executive in warehouse department. Experience required 3 to 4 years. CTC range will be up to 6 lakhs per annum. Job knowledge required is inventory management, SRN, GRN, cycle count and FIFO. Friends, please subscribe the channel Express Naukri and keep watching, keep supporting us and request you to hit the bell icon for latest job updates. Third, position as executive in finance department. Experience required 3 to 4 years. CTC range will be up to 6 lakhs per annum. Job knowledge required is budgeting, inventory reconciliation loss, etc. Fourth, position as junior executive in human resources department. Experience required 3 to 4 years. CTC range will be up to 5 lakhs per annum. Job knowledge required is HR compliance, Factory Act, contract labor, engagement and talent acquisition. HR executive must have experience working in factory. Friends, if your experience and education qualification matching with requirements, request you to send your updated resume to given email address. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.